kind of cheating now.
Turbo, dude, you're awesome.
Oh my god!
Turbo!
It's a
You sound like you're practicing. Alright, good luck, guys.
Thermal.
Ah!
Let's go find thermals, Ray.
Yeah!
How far are we going? What's going on?
Well, you tell me. You're the one in the ahead. I'll turn where you turn. We taking off together, or are we gonna go? I won't hit you.
Timer cleared.
Ready.
Gear up. Flaps up. Gear up.
There we go. I'm actually okay for once.
Low pass.
Just whatever you do, I'll stick with you.
Low pass.
Fast or slow? Okay, I hear you. We're all good. Just don't forget to split off to one side of it.
Low pass.
Usually when I pull up like that, it's just to slow down so I can catch up with you again. But I didn't tell you, so now you know. If I do that, it's just to slow down so I can catch up.
Okay.
Or slow down so you can catch up, and then we'll be together. Alright, I'm going to do a touch and go.
Alright.
Gear down.
I'm going to do the whole nose wheel off.
Whoa!
That's not a thermal.
Touch and go with Ray.
I'm going to do a nose up.
Time remaining 1 minute. Gear up.
I'm trying to get away from Keyon.
Yeah, goddamn it, Keyon.
What the heck is Keyon doing? Get out of there!
Let's chase him out.
Ah!
Come here, buddy. Come on, buddy. Let's go. Come at me. I'm on his ass.
Ah!
I just scared the crap out of Keyon.
Gear
I
down.
just fucking like, wham! Oh, you want
Touch and go!
Whoa! Let's go, Keyon. Oh, Jesus! What was that?
9, 8, 7,
Touch and go!
5. Gear up. 4, 3,
Alright.
2, 1. Time expired.
Get that thermal machine out of here. Huh?
Gear down.
Come here, Keyon!
Whoa!
Gear up.
Me too. No! Look for a thermal.
Landing! I'm landing! Alright, I'll go around. Alright, he's on the road.
I know. I know. Oh my God, this is fun. Didn't I blow your mind this time? That was hilarious. I love it. And we've got that recorded. We've got that recorded too.
I almost hit him like 5 times.
You crazy? That was fun. See, that's why it's good to have kids out.